Introduce highlight features or overview summary for STHYTON 2-tier washer-dryer countertop with 2 drawers and shelf. Highlight features or overview summary are include: large laundry workspace. Create a folding station with this washer-dryer countertop. Its 54-inch width offers substantial room for laundry tasks, while a back rail on the surface helps prevent items from slipping off during use. Concealed storage drawers. 2 fabric drawers built into this 2-tier laundry countertop offer separate compartments. They are intended for storing smaller laundry necessities, helping maintain a tidy appearance by keeping counters clear. 2-level organization. The dual shelf design of this washer and dryer shelf organizer offers ample open storage for different items. Organize taller items on the upper level and shorter ones on the lower level, utilizing vertical space in your laundry area. Components for added stability. Wooden slats and non-slip pads accompany this washer and dryer countertop. When positioned between the shelf and your appliances, they aim to provide a more secure fit and reduce potential movement. Easy setup. Each component for this laundry countertop organizer is marked to match the instructions. This identification system, along with pre-drilled holes, is designed to clarify the assembly steps for the user. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.